naye bannange mulowooza mu Uganda twetaaga Bakyagulanyi bameka? Laba First Lady bwanyumidde akasuuti kale bwe bati babadde bava waka era Yesu omuto nasokka abawa essaala nga baagaliza mikisa rakinedda rakyabera tafuga omwana let me call him omwana mulenzi Kyagulanyi Sentamu. Oh my God, she was Promax Koli n'omwana muwala Nalumansi Jacqueline Rakinedda awo nga batuwa essaala nga tosimbula okuva ewa emagele bannange awo nga tubuuza ku King Saha banaye King Saha wanyumya olunyuma banange olunaku lwa leero it has been massive banange nga buli obwedda bwe tuyita tuleka ekyalo kicyankalanye ekitundu nga kisanyaladde. This man is loved. Oh my God, Mukama nyambaza ekisa kye wayambaza BobiWine. Oh my God, wow. Naawe omulabi wange Mukama akwambaze ekisa kye yayambaza BobiWine. Kyagulanyi Sentamu. Robert. Oh my God. Hey, this man is loved so dearly. Lava mukwano. Oh! Naye nga nze president wange omwami Kyagulanyi Sentamu Robert mwagaliza kisinga banaye ne wetunaaba tutudde ku ntebe yo ne tugituulako. Let me even not mention it, but just know the guy is loved. I wouldn't know. Nga tugenda. Hey, asimanyi abantu abamu ebyenda bibyetokota bibesera bibakola batya naye nga kyonna kye kiri mujja kuguma temwina kyakola ono omusajja yajja. Hey! Laba gwe Kalere. Laba. Kikyota olobedde ku Gomesi. Gwe. Weteeke mu bigere. Bya BobiWine. Wandiwulidde otya nga abantu bakulaga omukwano gwe? Ye bannange katwebuuzeemu. Omwami gwe tuvuganya naye yawulira atya watudde? Awulira atya? Maidi yawo oba toyagala BobiWine? Oli mulogo. Naye nze mbabuulire Kyagulanyi Sentamu wobanga oyina omulogo oyo mwongeze sente kubanga kineno nze sikirabanga tinka kirebaga. Oh my God. You! What are you not seeing? Laba abantu. Naye nze mbabuulira avuganya Sentamu yandibivuddeko. Nadde ebbali n'atuula n'aleka omwana mulenzi n'afuga n'atutwala. Oshegera n'atuvuga n'atukola ki n'atutwala yandikivuddemu nadde ebbali n'asirika. Good Lord. Wow. Naye buli wootunula olaba red. Actually mwemba nyumiza ki? Mukimanyi abantu betufunye tetwabasasudde yadde 10 yadde akamere tetwakaguze. Hello? Hey. What are you saying? Aba bantu yadde akasoseji tebakafunye n'akasombuusa. Naye ne bwe munaagaba emmere ne mugaba sente. Ala akasajja kazze kulema ya Rabbi Mungu. Kana akasajja kazze. Naye nze nsaba ekintu kimu amafuta ge wayiwa oba ekisa kye wateeka ku Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu. Onteekeko keke ekisa. Don't know see. My God. Oh my God. Red. God, I'm happy. I'm really so happy. Namwe gye muli mmanyi muli basanyufu nnyo. Oba owagira sayidi eri oba owagira eri, oba owagira eno oba owagira eri, naawe kyekikuliko. Muli eri ogamba tegala kukyafula naye ogamba bannange akasajja kaagala, lwaki tetuva ku ntebe? Lwaki tetuva ku ntebe? Naye bannaaye, naye hey. Now from today, red is my color. What is your color? What is your best color? Comment. Jireke mu comment section. Ogamete no, my best color is this. Mine is red. What about you? What about you, my dear? Is it purple? Is it green? Is it white? Is it that one? I mention it. Wow. Kiki kyotalaba olabadde ku Gomesi? Bobi, achagulanye. Bobi, sabala. Bobi, aya. Bobi, achagulanye. Aya. Bobi, Bobi, achagulanye. Kona. Bobi, ah. Bobi, aya. Bobi, achagulanye. Yabo. Achagulanye. Yabo. Achagulanye. Hey, nozo omulabye mwana mulezi. Omulabye banange president wange, president BobiWine, president Chagulanye, president Sentamo, president Robert, ne first lady wange. Obalabye. Gwe, obalaba labisanyo, labasimairo. Laba bannange Katonda yatonda omusajja mulungi, omukazi mulungi. Bannange yeffe tukole tutya? Awo nno wadi bata Katonda binetinga bannange nga enkuba n'eri okwegenda etonya. Ekiraga omukisa oguwedde emirimu nti ne ku luno.
First of all, I thank you, brothers and sisters. We have stood together through the tear gas, through the bullets, through the beatings, through the abductions, through the courts, through the prison walls, and through the funerals. You have been my shield. You have been my eyes. You have been my courage. You have been my strength. You have been my friends, my true friends. Today, as we go into what is likely to be an even more violent campaign, I will be relying on you, my friends. We are embarking on a long walk to freedom. Whatever lies ahead of us is going to test everything that we are and everything that we stand for. But I guarantee you, brothers and sisters, freedom will come at the end of the day. Because after all, freedom never comes easy. Our grandparents shed blood for the independence of this country 62 years ago. Our parents shed blood for what they believed was a liberation 40 years ago. Our comrades in this very generation are in prison for this very struggle. They've shed blood for this struggle. Many of them are missing and they don't even have graves for this struggle. Let us carry them in our hearts. Let us carry them in our minds. Let us do this in their name. Brothers and sisters, the same courage and discipline that has kept us going since 2017 should be the same courage and discipline to carry us through this campaign. Your duty in this campaign, I must remind you, will not be to protect me. Yes, your duty in this campaign is not to protect me. It is to protect yourselves. It is to protect each other. It is to protect those ordinary people that come to support us on our rallies. I request you to be vigilant in every village that we shall enter and on every rally that we go to. Please be very solid and be very sober. Please be very calm and be very disciplined. Hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. Be careful, but don't show fear, because this regime wants us to be fearful. My brothers and sisters, I want we are fighting for a better Uganda. We are fighting for the farmers, for the border riders, for the young graduates who have no jobs. We are fighting for the ghetto people, those ghetto youth whose future is being stolen away in exchange for a few shillings. We are fighting for the ordinary children whose future is empty and want to give meaning to. We are fighting for those police officers who are ordered to brutalize you because you are fighting for their children's future, and afterwards they have to return to their uniport, to an empty house, to children with no school fees, and to a family with no health insurance. Please don't look at them as your enemies, because they are not your enemies. They are victims too. They also wish that things can change someday.
Eyo nno nga tuvuddeyo laba Dr. Hilderman ate nange kale banaye NUP erina engeri gyenyumamu newoba ku sayidi eri owulira ng'oyagala kweyunga ku eno bino binyuma gamba muno nti bino binyuma mugambe nti byanyumye ne bikatagga allo bita mu baduyi sikyatya abanumba bebantya batwala misinde tewali kusaga
kuchutana chakutenda Nendo Rwencha Kengisa Chankaranyisa Chitebe Mama Nyabo Ole kumukutu kwa Sama Uganda Media Awo Mama Nkugamba President abalekede saha kyabakola enta tulina natete Okay, kyakutadda ku office baganda bange abasebo ne banyabo olunaku lwanca tuli natete tugenda kera ku makya kuta
bannange bwentyo bwentambudde olunaku olwali mubeere bulungi omweraba abanya Nalumasi Jacqueline.